Now, previously we talked about compost, and compost is one of those terms where you could buy some of these very large plastic tumblers where people put all of their scraps in it and tumble them once a week. You can actually have very elaborate ways of making compost. Now here, being in Western Mass, I have the area where we simply just have two bins, where I have a bin where I put in all of the vegetable scraps, anything from apple peels to squash, no meats, no dairy products. And I put it in here, and then I actually put, as you can see, some weed clippings. They sell different products in the store as far as how to make it. To be honest with you, all you need is dirt. So when I weed the gardens, I'll take this and throw it right on top of my compost scraps at the bottom. And as you can see, it's got a little of everything. And this works. And usually takes about a year to a year and a half to make a good compost. And over here, this product has actually been used because this is about 2 years old. It doesn't look like much, but it's nice and black. And as you can see, it's very rich. Sometimes there's a few things in here that don't decompose all the time. I found corn husks in here sometimes. But as a whole, this works itself to be one of the better things you can put in your garden. If you're not able to make your own compost, then they actually sell it in stores. It's basically called bagged compost. And it's the same type of thing. It's nice and loose. It's dark. Sometimes you can get them at different agricultural schools. They spend lots of time making it. We have a local school that actually makes this from cow manure, scraps, and they sell it. And it's a good way for the students to learn, and it's a good thing for us to use. So this was where my compost came from that I have in another large pile. So between the two, my own compost and the compost that I actually get, I think it's a good foundation for gardening. Every year I put them in my gardens, and they seem to work just well.